Alrighty. Oh, it's Ivan's daily drawing show in the afternoon. That's a great way to get the music to come in. Guys, I can't think of anything better. Hey everybody, welcome to my daily drawing show on my gaming channel where the quality doesn't matter at all. The audio is sometimes okay. Quality is just generally however I want it to be because, hey, I'm just doing this for fun. Hey, who knows though? I could maybe, one of these days, amp up the production value. But I don't want to. Anyway, this episode is brought to you by Jazza's Arty games. It's the app that I use to get all the random ideas and stuff. So a screenshot usually to the left of me, stage left. This episode I wanted to do a 3-color challenge again. I really like the last two. So this episode we're going to be drawing a white witch that is always sneezing and wears a golden chain. Yeah, one of those. I feel like that's going to be fun, like, because I struggle drawing women really, so that's going to be quite fun to do. Yeah, and the 3 colors we're going to use are, these 3. We're going to use, W105 warm grey and the Robin's egg blue again as usual. We've used this before in our previous episode, and I feel like these two will blend with each other quite well. So this should make for a fun episode. Let's get right to the drawing. Alright guys, let's just do some concept sketches. Let's see what this white witch will look like. Cool, so these are a bit of a concept that I've got going on. I'm quite happy with how this looks actually. I feel like she could almost incorporate her sneezing into like a spell that she does, so maybe like have some sort of thing going on around, you know? And then she sneezes some magic stuff out, and we could also experiment with lighting on that. I feel like this witch is quite good, but like she feels very generic to me. And we've got like a fat I guess, witch going on. But like I wanted to experiment with the whole white witch concept because sure, a witch, she's gonna have like the standard witch hat, but I feel like a white witch, what would a white witch look like, you know? Because she's obviously gonna have like a white costume, so let's give her like a different type of a hat, you know? Something like that. So I feel like this is good. Now let's move on to the next phase. Alright, for the next stage I just want to experiment with colours, see what blends with each other. These should all blend with each other quite well, but let's just experiment with this anyway. These two clearly have a blend because they're the same kind of color really, so it's like a gradient almost. However, I feel like these two colors, I don't know, it looks weird, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Whereas these two just looks like I'm adding like a darker shade to a blue, so maybe it'd be good for shading. But with these, I don't know, it's interesting. I haven't really done this all the way through properly, so let's see if I do what happens if I do that. Yeah, okay, so they blend, kind of. Yeah, that's good enough. Cool, let's get to the piece. Let's do the rough layer. Now I feel like the construction work is done. I'm going to move on to the line work with a 0.2 Graphic rotary pen, whatever that is. It's pretty cool is what it is. simply for the most disgusting things I've ever drawn. Alright everybody, I feel like this was okay for an outline, like sure it shows a character. The hands I'm not really too happy with. That's something I feel like I need to work on to get better. Oh, I've left some areas. Yeah, aside from that, I feel like this is an okay outline piece. I don't think I want to outline anything with a Sharpie. I'm actually quite happy with how this looks. Actually, okay, you know what, I'm going to outline some stuff with a Sharpie because I do feel like these parts especially could use the outlines. Alright, I feel like these are okay. Cool. Let's move on to coloring in. Cool. Well, I feel like I can't really go much farther in this, just because she is like the White Witch. Her skin's about as white as you can get, and her dress as well. I did a bit of shading using the warm grey, and accent some stuff with the blue colour. This is such a disgusting piece. It looks like she's like summoning something out of her mouth, but she's just eternally sneezing. Oh my days. But yeah, I'm quite happy with how this turned out. Cool. Alright, I thought this actually turned out quite well. There's again only so much you can do with like a white witch with a white skin, and also like with just like the palette I guess that I had, and like with the scenario, but this is like I guess my best shots. So yeah, I'm quite happy with how this turned out. I added a bit of extra stuff around the sides I guess to put the emphasis more on her. Cool, thanks for watching my video guys. If you want to see another episode you can click up there. I also have a Fiverr page, links for that is below in the description. Feel free to subscribe if you want. And yeah, catch you guys next time.